1. The true nature of black holes. Despite their mysterious name, black holes aren't just dark empty voids in space. They're actually massive amounts of matter compressed into an incredibly small area. Imagine squeezing an entire star, millions of times more massive than our sun, into a space so tiny it's nearly invisible. The result is an immense gravitational pull, so strong that even light can't escape, which explains why we can't directly observe what's inside. According to Einstein's theories, black holes form when massive stars exhaust their fuel, collapsing under their own immense gravity. The star's core shrinks dramatically, creating an extraordinary region in space-time, where familiar laws of physics become uncertain and strange phenomena occur. Interestingly, in 2025, astronomers discovered several new supermassive black holes, far surpassing previous expectations. Some of these gigantic black holes possess masses billions of times greater than our sun and occupy the centers of distant galaxies. These recent discoveries raise profound questions. Could black holes play a more crucial role in shaping the universe than we previously believed? Every time we think we've understood black holes, new mysteries emerge, driving scientists to keep exploring deeper. Perhaps hidden within these cosmic enigmas lie answers to the origins and ultimate fate of our universe. Two. The mysterious gravity of black holes. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to approach a black hole? Forget about the gentle gravity keeping your feet planted firmly on Earth near a black hole. You'd encounter gravitational forces millions or even billions of times stronger than anything you've experienced. This powerful gravity is so intense that it bends and traps even light, creating an impenetrable darkness known as the event horizon. If you drifted too close to a smaller black hole just a few times the mass of our sun, you would experience an extreme tidal force that would stretch your body dramatically, a phenomenon scientists fittingly call spaghettification. But if you bravely ventured toward a supermassive black hole, such as Sagittarius A*, at the center of our Milky Way galaxy, with its mass over 4 million times that of the sun, the story would change. With these enormous black holes, gravity acts more evenly across your body, meaning you wouldn't immediately notice its terrifying strength. In 2025, astronomers measured the rotation speed of the black hole for the first time by observing the peculiar wobbling of stellar material left over after being consumed. Interestingly, the faster a black hole spins, the more dramatically it warps space-time around it, producing phenomena that continue to puzzle modern physics. This discovery raises profound questions. Could the extreme gravitational power of black holes unlock secrets about the deepest laws governing our universe? 3. The secret behind the event horizon. The event horizon, an invisible boundary around a black hole, marks the point of no return, separating our familiar reality from the mysterious world within. If you ever approach closely enough to witness it, you see stars and surrounding light warped and twisted around a perfect circle of darkness, creating an eerie and captivating visual phenomenon. At this limit, gravity is so intense that even light, the fastest entity in the universe, cannot escape. This is why no one has ever directly seen inside a black hole. However, in 2025, scientists confirmed Stephen Hawking's theory by detecting signs of Hawking radiation, tiny particles escaping from the event horizon, suggesting that the horizon itself isn't entirely impenetrable as previously believed. If you dared to cross this threshold, you'd embark on a one-way journey with no return. Observers from outside would see your movements gradually slow down, your image stretching, becoming dimmer and redder, until you eventually appeared frozen forever at the edge. This occurs because, at the event horizon, time slows dramatically toward a standstill, while space continuously drags you toward the singularity, region of infinite density and gravity at the black hole's core. From an outside perspective, you're trapped eternally at the brink, but inside, your journey continues toward the unknown center. Could the event horizon serve as a portal to an entirely new reality, or is it merely the final destination of all that enters? 4. When time and space switch places. Have you ever imagined a world where time doesn't flow as we're accustomed to, but instead becomes trapped in an unusual state? That's exactly what happens when you approach the event horizon of a black hole. At this mysterious boundary, the familiar laws of physics seem to no longer apply, causing time and space to essentially switch roles. Here, everything you thought you knew about the universe begins to unravel. As you fall toward the event horizon, a brief moment for you would seem eternal to an outside observer. They would watch you slow down dramatically, stretching and ultimately appearing frozen in space forever. This bizarre phenomenon occurs because, at the edge of a black hole, time progressively approaches a standstill, while space continuously moves, relentlessly pulling you toward the singularity where density and gravity become infinite. In 2025, groundbreaking research by NASA confirmed that even light could become trapped in the strange space-time conditions near the event horizon, creating unprecedented visual effects. This discovery not only supports Einstein's theories, but also opens new questions about how time actually functions under the universe's most extreme conditions. Could there really be a place inside a black hole where time appears to stand still or even flow backward? What other incredible mysteries await when time and space no longer behave in ways we consider normal? 5. Parallel universes. Stephen Hawking's ultimate secret. Have you ever imagined that every decision you make could create entirely new universes, existing parallel and independent of your reality? This intriguing concept was boldly proposed by the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking. The theory of parallel universes. Hawking believed that if you were to fall into a black hole, your information wouldn't vanish completely, but could continue existing in another universe where events unfold differently. According to this fascinating theory, the moment you approach the event horizon of a black hole, reality could branch into two distinct universes. In one, you would fall into the black hole, ultimately pulled into an inescapable singularity. In the other universe, the black hole might not even exist, allowing you to carry on your life as usual. This remarkable idea challenges our conventional understanding of the universe and opens up infinite possibilities for human existence and our future. In 2025, groundbreaking research from NASA provided unprecedented evidence suggesting that quantum phenomena could indeed allow information to leak out of black holes. This discovery significantly strengthens Hawking's theory and expands our understanding of the possible existence of parallel realities. Could this mean that somewhere out there, another version of you is living a completely different life? If this theory is true, the universe we inhabit could merely be one among countless other versions of reality, each existing alongside but forever separated from each other, mysterious, alluring, and far more astonishing than anything we've ever imagined.